How to fix your Airbnb login problem in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check your internet connection. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection and try toggling between your Wi-Fi and your cellular data. If that is not the case, you might need to double check your email and password and make sure that your caps lock is also off. If that doesn't work, you might need to click on forgot password, enter your email, and then they're going to send you a reset link on your email. You can reset it from there. If your application has a pending update and you've not updated it, it could also be a major cause. Simply go ahead and update your application, or you could also clear cache if you're on an Android by going into settings, apps, Airbnb, storage, and simply clear cache. If the server is down, you could be facing this problem, so you could try to go to Down Detector to see if the Airbnb server is down. You can also check them or their Twitter page to know if there is a known server issue. If nothing works, you want to simply contact their support team at help.airbnb.com. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.